Have you ever felt like you're not keeping up? Like everyone around you is soaring higher and faster, leaving you behind? There once was a little bird who felt just like that. Every day it would watch the other birds, a magnificent flock, reaching incredible heights with such speed. The little bird felt small, slow, and completely unimportant. Its wings felt heavy just thinking about it. But one day, something shifted. Instead of trying to follow the flock, it turned and flew in its own direction, a path no one else was taking. It flew not for height or speed, but just for the sake of flying. Soon it discovered a quiet, peaceful forest filled with sunshine and sweet berries. It was there, alone, but not lonely, that the little bird understood. True happiness isn't about flying higher than everyone else, it's about finding the freedom to fly your own way. Thanks for watching.